In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove likes from Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your account, and once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture and you will be taken to your Facebook profile page. Once you are at your profile page, tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile and then go to Activity Log. Then tap at your activity across Facebook and then tap at Manage Comments and Reactions. That will show you all your comments and reactions, such as likes, in chronological order. We can filter it if we tap right here and then select Categories. We can tap at likes and reactions to hide comments from that list. That's how we can easily find all our likes at any Facebook post for all the time, and all you have to do in order to remove a like is just tap at three dots and then tap at Unlike. Also, you can check mark multiple likes at the same time and then tap at Remove to remove all of them at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.